If you're looking for fit for expedition, you found him.
So before we get started on this video, if you guys could do me a favor and like and subscribe. Also, if you're so inclined, leave a comment, because that really helps the algorithm. It actually really helps build the channel. Not that I'm an expert, but I know some, and that's what they told me. So I appreciate if you guys would do that for me, and let's go. Hey guys, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition. Just got back from the Ironwood Meetup, well, 2 days ago. Got pretty exhausted, and if you were there, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Was jumping off. Anyway, so I'm actually working on unloading the truck finally. And I got some of it done. I got all the torches out, and I got the tent out that I couldn't collapse because it was so windy, 30-mile-an-hour winds. Couldn't put the tent away, so I just stuck it in the truck the way it was, and now I can't find the bag for it, so I'm sure it'll show up eventually. This is what I have left. I got the cooler, I already got the ladder out of here, I already got the Jenga table out of here. I don't even know what else is in here, but there's just a lot of crap. Can you imagine trying to sleep on this bed now? Like if I had decided I was going to go somewhere else after the meetup, which I thought about, there's no way. There's absolutely no way. Also, upon arriving home, you might know we had the F-150, our Ford F-150 out there at the meetup, because Kelly had to come meet up with me. Well, it's a meetup. She had to come meet up. We got back home, and now the F-150 is having problems, so I'm having it towed to a shop that I use all the time. It's kind of like the transmission's not talking to the engine, so that's the issue. So we'll see what happens there. Alright, so I'm just going to let him take care of that. And he's actually been there before for one of my other cars, because I have all these, I have like these classic cars that are always getting worked on by me or by a mechanic. In fact, Mark, Gen X Van Life, who was at the meetup, is coming over to help me pull the transmission from this one. He's actually a mechanic, trained mechanic. Anyway, we're going to pull that out, and then I'm going to get it to a transmission shop, have them fix it, and then this one's going to be on the road. I'm going to tackle this now. These are the lights, the poles that we use to mount solar lights to for around the main camp area, so people can see to play games, play Jenga, beer pong, that kind of thing, horseshoes, and all the different games and all the different things we have out there. And there she is on the truck. So if you guys haven't been to the Ironwood Meetup, I fully recommend it, because we go a little bit farther, a little bit more above and beyond, especially for a BLM location, with live music, lighting, tiki torches, a couple big fire pits, DJ, all that kind of stuff, for basically a couple of nights of partying, and then a couple of nights just hanging up by the fire. So I use these rebar pieces, I put these in the ground, and then I just slide the poles over the top, and that's how they stay. We don't have to dig a big hole just for every single pipe. Plus it stands taller, so the light's above your head, it's not in your eyes, kind of thing. And then I'll store it all in one location together, so that we have it all ready to go, which would the same thing we did this year. It'll be all ready to go, and just pack it in the truck and go. Whiteboard, beer pong table, and a bunch of other crap. Some stuff I didn't even use, but I'll have it for next year. And then I got solar lights, Christmas lights that we used to light up the stage area. So I just came across these stickers that I picked up from the meetup. Amanda, that's Adventuring with Amanda, and Charles over here. Go see Charles. I think it's Weird Adventures. Vintage Van Life, Brian, cool dude, really cool dude. Tina the Outsider, first time I met her in person, but we've been friends on Facebook or on YouTube for a long time. Hank Topless, he performed for us. A little bit of glare there. He performed for us. He's awesome. He's a great country singer, and I just gotta tell you, just excellent performance. Wandering Starvati. I've camped with her before, and she was at the meetup also. There's Salty Ginger. Salty Ginger is Charles's wife. And then we've got Divine Mojo. And I have some other ones too. But I've already put them up. I mean, here's Anthony, my friend Anthony. I can't remember what the name of his channel is, but I'll put it on the screen here. I'm just taking a break right now from all the moving things out of here. Just wanted to thank you guys for being here, and actually, thanks for coming back. If you ring the little notification bell, you'll get notifications. You'll know when I'm putting a video out, so that'll be cool too. Anyway, let's keep going. Well, at least I can get into the truck now. And this is all laundry. And of course I gotta wash this because it's got so much smoke and dust in it from 2 weeks at Quartzsite and Schoolie, and 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, setting up during and breakdown of the Ironwood Meetup. So it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. And some people actually afterwards were like, well, some people said it's the most fun they had in years, and they were serious. They were serious about it. And I think, it's really a blast. But there was an interview with Marilyn Manson years ago, 20 years ago. And in the interview, he said, fun sucks. So if your answer would ever be fun sucks in an interview, then this is probably not a meetup for you. Unless you don't like live music, you don't like live entertainment, you don't like, games and fun and hanging out by the fire, meeting lots of new people, and hanging out with old friends. If you don't like that, then it's not for you. I hope to see everybody at the meetup. I know everybody who came this year is either going to be there. That's 105 people or so. They're either going to be there or they're going to try like heck to get there. They've already told us. And so it's going to be bigger than it was this year. It always grows a little bit. I think we grew about 10% from last year, and we grew about 50% from the year previous, from the second one to last year's, which was the third, and we grew about 900% from the first to the second year. So it's growing, and I think you're gonna have a blast if you go. So anyway, this is just a video of me cleaning up from it and talking about it, and talking about a little bit about the memories and the people that I met when I showed the stickers. So if you enjoyed just hanging out with me while I cleaned up from the meetup, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. Say anything in the comments, and I'll get back to you, and it helps the algorithm and it helps my channel. So appreciate you guys being here. It's been Fit for Expedition. My name's Greg, and we'll see you next time.